Hi everyone. June 24th, about 5 p.m. now. It's blazing hot. It has been like this for a couple of days. 93, 94 degrees now, 32, 33 degrees Celsius. Amazing hot. I'm really worried that my tomato flowers are going to fall off, because if it is continuously 90, 95 or 90 plus, then the tomato flowers would not self-pollinate and would not produce fruit. So I'm really worried. I'm really hoping some rain for the next couple of days. So I'll give you a quick look at so much flowers, but you can see some of them have turned grayish. That means these are going bad. So I am not happy about it. The two golden jubilees are doing great. Let me get closer, see if you can see them. Yep, there they are. Yeah, some of them have been fruiting. I don't remember the name. I think this is Morgan's Lifter. And then there is one. I have to look into the cheat sheet to find out the names, but yes, I've been watering them every morning for at least good soaking. I know tomatoes love heat, but too much heat would make the flowers not pollinate and fall off. So like here you can see that some flowers are already turning to gray and probably not going to fruit anymore. But yeah, I mean, you can see that there are some tomatoes and tons of flower that are going to fruit. I think this one is Brandywine, if I'm not mistaken. I can see two Brandywine back there. They're looking really nice. So the plants look really good. I'm happy about it. Yeah, the plants look really good, bushy, healthy. So far so good. Here's the Roma. You can see there's good number of Roma are fruiting here. Let me go. There is some more here, and you know, this one is Cherokee Purple. I do remember that there are some Cherokee Purple that are fruiting. It might be too dark back here, but so far so good. I think the one on this corner is Nepal. Not a heavy producer, but we shall see. It's still early. I have seen the dragon's tongue bean. Let me show you one. Oh, where did it go? I saw one yesterday. There it is. No. Oh, has it already fallen off? That's amazing. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Look at how pretty this is. It's very nicely speckled. I don't remember this one, but you can see there are a lot of beans, and I think they'll be ready to harvest in like a week, maybe in a couple of days. Ton of them. I've already harvested about a good number of squash. Oh, look at that. I think it has grown. Look at this. It's so pretty. Look at this. There's one back there. The Black Beauty is fruiting. There is flower. I think the cabbage has started to form the heads now. This one, yep, this one has started to form the heads. I need to spray some fungicide. But yeah, so far so good. The garden looks good. I'm happy. I cannot wait for the sun gold and sun sugar. I can't go down. See if I can show you. There's a cluster right here. I believe this is sun sugar. The one on this corner are sun gold right here. You may see a duct tape. Duct tape saves everything. As I was trying to trellis these, I think I accidentally broke off that main leader a couple of days back, but I put duct tape in it and then tied it with the stake. So far it seems to be surviving, so we shall see. The ones on the ground are doing okay. They were planted late, but they are doing good. My Corolla bitter melon has started to hang on to a trellis. Noodle beans are growing fast. Butternut squash are growing fast. Red Malabar spinach is all the way up to the trellis now. This guy has gone up to the trellis, and then the rest are following them. Asparagus bean and summer squash, that's buttercup. My gourd trees are doing good. I don't know if it has pollinated or not. I purposely did not self-pollinate it or hand pollinate it because I want the tree to focus on getting bigger, not focus on producing fruit at this early stage. So there is one, and then there is another one. I don't know if they would produce fruit or not, but I am kind of let the nature take care of it. My seam has grown. It's kind of slow, but it's growing. Sugar baby watermelon has grown good. So far that's about it. It's blazing hot. I'm hoping to have some rain and relief from the blazing heat next couple of days. Thanks so much.